Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Qantas plane ticket in 2024. So whether your plans have changed or you need as example to cancel your flights, understanding how to get a refund from Qantas is essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for Qantas plane tickets. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And before requesting a refund, it's important to understand Qantas refund policies. Qantas offers some different refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Fully refundable fares can be refunded to the original form of payment, while non-refundable fares might only be eligible for travel credits or vouchers for future use unless it's within 24 hours of the booking time. So to check if you're eligible first of all of refunding, you can simply go to the URL section. Example, you can go to Qantas as example, refund policy, hit the enter button, click on the first link as example. Oh, sorry, so this, yeah, and we will go after that to their home screen or main screen website. So, of course, so we have here the privacy policy and etc. Not the privacy policy, like the refund policy, and we have here the website. First of all, if you are very sure of your tickets that is refundable, you just want to know how to cancel it. Basically, just go to this URL, to their of course websites, which is this URL section, qantas.com. Click on login to log in into your account. Make sure to log in into it. Click on login. Once you log in, make sure to click on your profile and you'll find my trips or my reservations. Click on that. And you'll find the trip that you booked. Once you click on it, you'll find the cancel option. Click on that cancel option. From there, you'll be able to cancel it. And after the cancellation, you will be able to request a refund and go through the form of refunding. Once you do so, you'll have to wait from 7 to 10 business days until you get back your money from, of course, into your credit card or whatever you paid with. Of course, if you book your tickets in Qantas, but you did not book it using an account, you book it as a guest. What can you do? There are two options for that. Whether you go to your email that they send you the tickets on, as example, maybe it's Gmail for me. Let's pretend that this is the email. As example, here you'll find your tickets. If you scroll down, you'll find if you want to cancel your tickets, you'll find the button for that. Click on it to cancel it. And of course, once you cancel this again, you'll have to go through the refund process and you should be good to go. If you didn't find this by any chance, normally you find this, but if you didn't find this by any chance, you can simply go to their screen or to their website, go and click on manage booking. Here, all you need to do is simply enter your last name, then the booking, flight credits, or voucher reference. Enter those two information, click in here, and they will basically find that specific booking for you. Then, once they find this, click on cancel that booking. And once it's canceled, you can simply again request the refund. As I said, that's if you already know for sure you are eligible for refund. So you don't have to waste your time then they deny your refund request. It's up to you, of course. If you don't know if you are eligible or not, you can simply go through the refund policy, compensation policy. So as you can see, compensation and refund. Information about compensation and refund in case of delay, cancellation, or overbooking. So you can go to whatever you want. Do you want this example? So delay or cancellation as example. So we are committed to getting you as example to your destination on time. However, sometimes bad weather, natural disasters, technical problems, operational and other issues can cause flight delays and cancellations. Your safety is always our first priority, and while we will try our best to provide our service in accordance with the estimation departure and arrival time of your flight, flight times are not guaranteed. So we are committed to provide you or to providing you with the highest level of customer service, including by looking after you if things don't go as planned. will provide you with assistance as set out below in the event of a delay or cancellation. Depending on the circumstances, this may include a refund or other compensations. You may also have statutory rights to remedy, including refund or compensation under the Australian consumer law. In Australia, as example, you can see the Australian consumer law from this as example contains customers guarantees which provide customers with a basic like a guaranteed level of protection for goods and services that they require. For details statutory of course rights for New Zealand, of course you can check that. For international traveler may have rights as example under the Warsaw of Montreal Convention. See the conditions of that, of course, of etc. So, okay, just some random information that we don't want. So that's what we want. Yeah, this is the one that we want. Delay or cancellation within out of control, away from home and airport. So if it's delayed for 2 hours plus, if it's arranged by Qantas, then you'll get meal voucher. Yes, transfer, you'll not be able to transfer it. Accommodation, you'll not get accommodation. Overnight new departure within 12 hours of original departure, depending if it's Qantas or customer. So meal voucher example, $30 teams or local equivalent value per person, inclusion on accommodation, or $30 or local equivalent value per person, reimbursement, receipts required. Transfer, yes. Accommodation, yes. For this accommodation, $200 or local equivalent value per room booked, reimbursement receipts required. Overnight, new departure over 12 hours of original departure. Qantas and customer also, again, some information. So at the home airports, as example, 12-hour plus Qantas, yes. Transfers, no. Accommodation, no. For this example, Qantas or customer, no. Cap change, and no. Commercial overbooking example. So this we don't care about overbooking. Refunds for delay or cancellation example. So you'll be able to read all of that as example. So I'll not go through all of it because it will take some time. For you can pause the video, just reach the image and see if you're available for it. And you should be able to see everything out about it. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.